An Air India flight from Delhi, India to San Francisco was diverted due to a technical issue with one of the plane's engines and landed safely in Russia's Magadan airport in the country's far east. The plane was carrying 216 passengers and 16 crew members. Air India flight AI-173 operating from Delhi to San Francisco developed a technical issue with one of its engines. The flight with 216 passengers and 16 crew was diverted and landed safely at Magadan airport in Russia, the airline's spokesperson said. The passengers are being provided with all support on ground and will be provided alternate options to reach their destinations at the earliest. The aircraft is undergoing mandatory checks on the ground, the spokesperson added. Russian aviation agency Rosaviation said Tuesday that it has issued a permit to Air India to send a reserve aircraft to Russia's Magadan airport. An alternate flight from Magadan to San Francisco will operate today for all passengers and crew who have been accommodated in local hotels in the East Russian port town. The authorities are extending all cooperation in an effort to ensure that passengers safely reach their destination at the earliest, the airline said. Meanwhile, the United States said it was monitoring the situation. We are aware of a US-bound flight that had to make an emergency landing in Russia and are continuing to monitor the situation closely, says State Department Deputy Spokesperson Vedant Patel. While Patel could not confirm how many US citizens were on the flight, he said it was of course likely that there are American citizens on board. Patel also said it would be possible, if needed, for the US to take steps in assessing manifests and passengers who may be bound for the United States. Patel, however, did not say if the US would need to exempt any replacement parts for the plane from sanctions on Russia. The diversion comes amid a debate about the use of Russian airspace by some carriers. Russia has banned numerous Western countries from operating in its airspace, though some carriers like Air India continue to fly over Russia.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.